Hey Juliette, what sound does a cow make? That's your nose. Where's your cheeks? Show me your cheeks. Yeah. Show me your ears. Yeah. Show me your mouth. Where's your mouth? Yeah, where's your mouth? Good job. How about your chompers? Yeah, good job. How about your hair? How about your lips? Yeah, that's your tongue too, huh? Where are your eyes?
Hi.
Yeah, yeah. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say hi, Grandma? No, you're not gonna say Grandma?
You say Santa?
What sound does a cow make?
No.
What sound does a horse make?
That.
What's a horsey say?
Me.
Good job. What does a bear say?
Wow.
Good job.
We did that.
What does a duck say? Yeah, yeah. What does a snake say? Sss. Good job. Yeah. What does a monkey say? Yeah. What does a fish say? Good job. What am I missing? What does an elephant say? Good job. What does a birdie say? Yeah, good job. What does a cat say? Yeah. What does a doggy say? Yeah, yeah. Did I do cow? What does a cow say? Good job. What does a frog say? Yeah, what does a pig say?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Good job. Am I missing any? I don't think so either.
You say Santa.
Say bye. Oh, are you going to say Santa? Can you say hi, Santa? Good job. Say bye.
Bye.